Hey guys, we are live from the Tech Fest IIT Bombay, and as you can see, we are in the exhibition area. Like a lot of cool stuff is being shown here. People from all over the world are here. So, and we are starting from the stall of SPBPU Russia. We are going to find out more about what they're exhibiting.
Hello guys, my name is Gleb. I'm from St. Petersburg, Polytechnical University in Russia. So this is my exhibition. I represent both university and fabrication laboratory. We do a lot of cool stuff here, like there are projects for beginners, like this one. The people who made it didn't know in the first day anything about digital fabrication, anything about robotics, but in 5 days they managed to learn how to use 3D printers, laser cutters, Arduino controllers, and do this whole robot just in 5 days. So now they learn about a lot more, and they are motivated to create more complicated projects, like maybe this one. This is the actual amputee arm process. It is made on a 3D printer, has a very cool mechanics using strings and servo motors, and the project is developing more and more. So now we are not only sensing the position of the arm, but also...
We're also working on a hand, so I'll contact me.
Okay, thank you so much. And they develop both the mechanics, so now it's firm transmission from motor to finger, and also they sense signals from muscle of the amputee arm. So there is a special bracelet you put on the arm, and the brain...
Does it look like that?
No, it's not like that. It's
Okay.
the demonstration is the old prototype.
Okay, okay.
It was made like 1.5 years ago,
Okay.
and the technology moved forward, and we developed more complicated stuff.
Okay,
So this bracelet, it reads signals from muscle.
Okay.
And basically how you use it. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like the normal human arm, you think about movement.
Yes.
The brain sends signal to the muscle.
Yes.
And muscle operates fingers, right?
Okay, okay.
And with bracelet, a person with no arm thinks about movement, sends signals to the arm. Bam, we read signals from muscle, transfer it to the microcontroller,
Yeah.
and the muscle operates operates fingers.
Okay.
So it's almost like a non-direct neural interface.
Great. So let's move on. Let's
move on.
Yes.
This is the hexapod robot,
Okay.
and you might take a guess that it was developed through like 2 months or something like that,
Yeah.
but we actually managed to make it in just 4 days without anything at all. Like we bought only Arduino boards,
Yeah.
STM boards, and servo motors, and
Okay.
everything else was developed from scratch. We had only materials and machines, so we assembled a team of 7 persons. And for an engineering challenge, we made this robot, and now guys from the government want us to make a more advanced one.
Okay.
So we could search people under the wrecked houses during the earthquake consequences.
Okay.
So for the searching operations and rescue operations.
Great.
And
So let's see what's on this side. Excuse me, if I could just
So you
wait. I guess I'll need to go around. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Thank you. So this right here is a GTX 1070. Do you guys mind if I ask what you guys are doing about it? I mean, doing with it?
With it?
Yeah. So what is this?
My secret is we don't have internet because of this. It's
Okay.
not working without internet, and we can only to show a movie about our
Okay.
university.
Okay.
And this is electric scooter.
Okay.
The technical parameters is weight of the scooter 4 kilogram, and the maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour, and the range on one charge is 30 kilometers.
Okay.
And also it will collect your fitness data,
Okay.
and we have application to download from microcontroller your fitness data.
That's great. That was great knowing about it. Let's see. We'll show up here again. Thank you. Let's move on to the next stall over here. As you can see, there's a lot of people are already here this early on a Sunday. It's very interesting. Excuse me, guys. Sorry to interrupt you guys. Yeah. So this is the stall of Hyperloop from India.